Hi guys, thanks for supporting my channel. Those who are not subscribed, MechTech 360, please subscribe. I will upload more and more videos regarding about this mechanical engineering as well as QC welding inspection, piping inspection and all. In this video, you have to know about this how the shielding, weld shielding, how to maintain and how to check the wind velocity inside the welding booth. This is the anemometer we are used to check the wind velocity inside the welding booth. The display of this 3.6 unit is meter per second. Actually, the safety guys only using this device majorly. As a QC inspector, we are also will use. This is the sheet from this Saudi Aramco engineering standard W11. In this, it is given that 2.2. You have to check the wind velocity. It's more than that 2.2 meter per second inside the welding booth. You should stop the welding. It's a major one. We have to control the welding area wind velocity by using the proper weld booth. Thus, we have to control the weld defects such as porosity and all. We have to control from this weld, and then to improve the weld quality by using